Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this absolutely gorgeous 2020 Toyota Corolla Hatchback XSE. It's hard to see in this light right here, but it is a very cool color. It's called Blue Flame. So it's really dark, and then when the sun shines on it, you can see all the little blue bits mixed in there. We should be able to check that out a bit more as we walk around the car. Power for this Corolla comes from a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front wheel drive. It is riding on alloy wheels, and from the side we've got the nice tinted privacy glass for your passengers and your cargo, as well as color matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. Now moving around to the front, we are going to find fog lights and a large raked windshield, which is excellent for visibility. And coming around to the side with the sun shining on it, we should be able to get a better look at the color here. Inside, we've got a whole ton of really great features too, so let's hop right in and check it out. Taking a look in through the window, we have a really cool interior. We've got gray premium cloth with leather trim. Moving to the back, we've got seating for 3 with a pull-down center console, and these seats do fold down to give you some more cargo space. Opening up the door, we're going to find our power locks, windows, and mirrors. And as we climb into the Corolla, right down here we've got our interior dash light controls, our automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, and our wiper blade de-icer. Checking out the steering wheel on the left hand side, we have our audio controls, different info you can access up on the dash, and our Bluetooth hands-free calling. And over here on the right, we've got the rest of our audio controls, our adaptive cruise control for a collision alert and lane departure alert as well. To start it up, you put your foot on the brake, press the push button start, and you are good to go. So checking out the dash once it gets all loaded up here. Using these controls on your steering wheel right here, I've got it set on the safety features, so you can also control your lane departure pre-collision and blind spot monitor right there. We can also scroll through and get our fuel economy, as well as our trip meter and a bunch of different info going on there. Moving to the center console, we have an AM/FM stereo with Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth, of course. We also have auxiliary power input and USB inputs for your phone, and we have a full navigation system. So going into our menu right there is going to bring you into another screen which has a whole ton of different settings that you can change so that everything looks exactly as you like it. Moving down to our climate control, we've got dual zone electronic climate control with air conditioning, and we have our rear window defrost and heated mirrors right there as well. Coming down here, we're going to find our wireless phone charger back there, and we also have our front heated seat controls there as well, with our traction control and sport mode right there. Also on the center console, we've got our electronic parking brake and our brake hold system. So let's hop out and we can take a look at what we've got for cargo space and what's going on around back. Moving around to the back, we've got our rear mounted color match shark fin antenna and rear spoiler. And then we've got the rear wiper blade, and once again that tint carries through back here. Back here is also where you're going to find your Toyota Corolla and SXE badging. To get into your hatchback, you can open it from inside, use your key fob, or walking up, you can just lift it up. So we do have a good amount of space in here, and with those fold down seats, that expands it even more. We have all-weather rubber matting in here at the moment, and we do also have a full set of Corolla branded upholstery matting as well. Thank you very much for taking the time to take a look at this 2020 Toyota Corolla XSE hatchback with me. If you would like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Cary Road. One of our product advisors would be happy to show it off to you and even take you out for a test drive. If you have some questions you'd like answered before making the trip, you can call us or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Corolla and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing absolutely spectacular. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.